Okay, first we go to the create a new from existing STM3 MX configuration. Oh, it takes some time. Okay, initializing. Okay, next we browse to FE and then whatever, right? Whatever. We browse to name, open. Then I name it to I think this one is 3B, right? 3B number 1, video or code, code uh, code 1B lah, code 1B, 3B 3B1 3B number 1. Okay, 3B number 1. I browse I want to place it in this PC storage. No. Okay, this one, new folder. Next, I say slides number 3B. Okay, slide 3B, because later on we can create the project straight from that. Select a folder and okay. Why cancel? Browse name. Okay, code number 3B. Project name. Project number 1. Oh, browse. Apa kita nama tadi? Slide number. Slide number 3B. Select folder. Finish. Okay. So ni slide 3B number 1. Okay, betul. I will see. Okay, the first one I will write code in a normal way, but a bit different lah, a bit different compared to. Okay, so we have I go first here, check it. Okay, clock configurations. All right, pin out. Okay, we have already. Right, usage and so on. So we can generate code now. Okay, minimize it. Then we go to core. Okay, source code, main. Open it. Okay, open it. Once we open it, then we can go to copy some of the one that we require, right? And whatever core, source, main. I just copy it. I copy this one first, right? And place it here. Next, I require the PB or this one, right? Copy it and I place it here, PD. Alright, the things that I always use. Next, I have this. Alright, I copy it. PM. And next, I have the serial port. This one, right? The only one that different is internal, right? The internal one. Okay, right. So next, I want to write code. Okay. Maybe I want to write code, and then I will say that okay, like this. I copy this one. Okay, copy this one. Okay, the code is very simple. This one. Let off example 3B, number 1. Okay, number 1. Example. Okay, press blue button, then running. Okay, now we want to write code. The code is, okay, first we have what? Press blue button, blah 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 blah, and then we toggle LED. Okay, if release, then and we check this as switch press, then we toggle, else release, then we what? We do nothing. We do nothing here, right? We do nothing. We do nothing. Okay, we toggle it. If the button's pressed, then we toggle that. Then okay, all right. Okay, first we go for the push button, right? So we put delay first. We put delay here, HAL_delay. Alright. So we put 10 millisecond. So remember, so the interval, this means the wait, the time wait, for one loop. So one loop equal to 10 millisecond, right? 10 millisecond. So we want to read the push button, the push button each time we press the button. Each time we press button. Okay, so I can write code like if, okay, so I write code like I have switch S1. S1 is not a switch, Here we put S1, no, right? Okay, S1 means the we have a variables S1 and we have another one S0. What is a S1 is and S0 is the variable that holds the value of Swiss SW. Okay, so we read okay, we read from SW. What does it mean? Means that we have S1. S1 is the previous and S0 is now. Okay, now I copy this one and I place it here. Okay, so we can use bool or we can use UINT8. It's okay, right? Assume that I use UINT8 for that. So I place S0 and S0 and S1. Okay, there. Alright, so I read button. Next, I can decide if S1 equal release, right? And S2, S1, S0, S0 now, it is press, right? So I will toggle the push button, the LED, right? So LED, LED equal to, oh no, we don't have toggle, right? We don't have toggle here. Yeah, we have toggle, yeah? So toggle LED. Toggle LED. Okay? We toggle LED. So that's the first problem that we have. Another problem that we have is what? We can check the loop. We drop the loop. We have loop minus minus. Then we say if loop, right, less than minus one, less than 0, then we set back loop to, let's say, 10. So we want to print whatever data for 10 millisecond, 100 millisecond, each 100 millisecond. Then we print things, something like we have count. Okay, we print count. I copy. Can I think we have count here? No, don't have it. So we go here, right? I think we try to find whatever to. So open that main. Here we have something like, okay. Oh no, we don't have it. Okay, no problem. I write code. So sprintf. Okay. So into tx buffer, tx2 buffer. Okay, what we want to print? We want to print example count, double quote, /r/n count, count, and then we increase equal %d, right, comma cnt, right. Then we will transmit it HAL_UART transmit underscore t. Okay, we transmit to the what to, right? Oh, we can copy this one. We have it there. Okay. we have there, but we don't have count, right? So count is assume that we use count here. We place it here. int equals 0. Start with 0. Okay. Next, we have what? We have loop, right? Loop. That one must be int 8 underscore t loop equal let's say 0. And we start with 0. Okay. So so that's our code, right? So we have what? So you see here, the time for this, right? The time for this is handled by loop. Handled by loop. So 10 multiplied by 10 millisecond. So this one will be executed each 100 millisecond, while this one is handled by 0 lah, nothing. Nothing. So it is each time the code in the while loop is executed, then it will be executed. So this takes 10 milliseconds. So when I compile, okay, we have problem here. SW, SW. This one, SW. Sepatutnya huruf besar kan? Okay, compile. So we have no problem. Then we can run. And I switch on the Terra. Click on serial, setup, serial port, 115.200. Click OK, right? So it will be download. Now, if I press button, okay, alright. Okay. Now, if I press button, the blue button, then it will write run. Then you see count will be displayed. Count will be displayed. Okay, wait. This one count will not increase it, right? Increase the count. I recompile. I run, right? Okay. Now, I press button, right? Okay, now it's run. So the count up. And the same time now, if you look at the push button, I press blue button, you see the LED here, the LED on and off, on and off, on and off, on and off. Right. So that is the first code that we doing, right? For that function f